What's up, guys? It's Matt here, MJ's Garage, and that's right, it's been a minute since I made a video, but today I'm coming to you because I want to do a quick review on something that's on this truck. That when I bought this truck, it had these open country Toyo AT2s. I haven't had good luck with these tires, and I'm going to tell you why. As you can see here, there's plenty of tread on these tires. These tires could not have been on this truck no more than 6 months when I bought this truck. They're 35, 12 and a half, 20s. And the reason why I want to do a review is this the reason. So I put some wheels on my truck last week, and I just changed out the wheel. I did not change out the tire. The reason being, it's got 35s on it. The tires were good. I wanted to keep the same ride. So I did that. After I did that, they rotated the tires on the front to the back. It had the worst hop that I've ever had in a vehicle in a long time. I said, this isn't right. We got to rotate them. There's something's not right. Rotate them 2 times. Still same thing. Rotated them 3 times. Same thing. Every time, did it different. Moved the tires around. Same thing. Took the tire off the wheel, moved it around. So I said, well, maybe it's the shop. Maybe something's going on. So I took it to another shop. They looked at them, they balanced them, said, oh, the balance is off. You shouldn't have any problems. I said, well, let's drive it. Same thing. After about 65, it started having a bad vibration. So I said, man, there's something wrong. Maybe it's the wheels. Long story short, I took it to another shop, same problem. I said, you know what? Maybe I'm just going to take the wheels off. We're going to go ahead and just put back the factory wheels on there, and we're just going to go back to that. And I didn't have that problem before. Well, guess what? The problem is still there. And they were telling me the last shop was I had a bad tire. And that I had, the tire was out of round. Now, usually when you buy these tires, you don't have this problem. But I want to know is how many people that have bought open country ATs and it had this problem. The downfall is I can't get the problem fixed because I didn't buy the tires new. The tires are already on the truck. So, for all you tire guys, let me know what you think. And sorry it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've been very busy, very tired after work, and just a lot going on. I do apologize. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I thought I was gonna do a video on the wheels, but right now I think I got to deal with the tire issue. So don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.